How to clone your voice with AI for free. Imagine recording your voice once and then having an AI version of you speak anything that you type. Need a YouTube voiceover? Type the script. Need a podcast intro? Type the script. Need content in multiple languages? Type the script. Your AI voice does the talking. So, welcome to voice cloning. In 2026, voice cloning technology has become incredibly realistic. Modern AI tools can replicate tone, pacing, pronunciation, and vocal characteristics from relatively short audio samples. Now, what used to require expensive studios and professional voice actors can now be done from a laptop in the matter of minutes. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how voice cloning works, the best free AI voice cloning tools available in 2026, how to create your own AI voice safety legally, and how creators are using voice cloning to save hours of work every week. So let's get started. Now let's begin with the basics. Voice cloning is the process of training an AI model to sound like a specific person. Now you provide audio recordings. The AI analyzes your pitch, tone, pronunciation, speaking rhythm, vocal patterns, accents. Now the system then creates a synthetic voice model. Now after that, you can type text and the AI generates speech that sounds similar to the original speaker. Think of it as text to speech, but personalized to a specific voice. So instead of using a generic robotic narrator, you're using a custom voice, your voice, or, of course, a voice you have been authorized to use. Now, a few years ago, voice cloning was mostly experimental technology. Today, it's becoming mainstream. Creators are going to use it for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, training courses, advertisements, customer support systems, presentations, multilingual content, and the biggest reason? Time. Recording voiceovers repeatedly can take hours. So if you make a mistake, you often have to re-record entire sections. But with voice cloning, just type, generate, export, done. That is why so many content creators prefer stuff like this. Now, before we go further, this is extremely important. Only clone voices you own or have permission to use. Never clone celebrities, public figures, friends, family members, co-workers, strangers without their explicit permission. Voice cloning is very powerful. Use it responsibly. Now, let's talk about the tool. What we're going to be using is ElevenLabs because ElevenLabs remains one of the biggest names in AI voice generation. It is popular because of realistic voice quality, emotional expression, multilingual support, and simple setup process. Now, many creators use ElevenLabs for YouTube narration, audiobooks, podcast production, online courses, and the platform offers voice cloning features that can produce highly natural speech from uploaded samples. So, basically, to get started with this, we're going to create an account on ElevenLabs. So I'm going to click on sign up. And once we do that, what's going to happen from here is ElevenLabs is going to bring us straight into the generative section. Now here, you're obviously going to want to sign up. You can do it using your email, which is your Google Gmail, or you can go ahead and sign up with your very own email password as well. It's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to use my Gmail. So once we do that, we're simply going to wait for it to bring us straight into the section. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and choose the account that I want to sign up with. And once we do that, what's going to happen from here is it says sign into ElevenLabs, click on continue. And once you click on continue, it's going to take you straight to the main section. Now, once things have loaded us up, we're going to be taken straight to that section. Now, once you are in, let's create your voice clone. Okay, so first and foremost, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to voice cloning. So for that, you're going to go over to voices. Now, once you're in voices, you're going to click on create voice. Once you go to create voice, you're going to go with either instant voice clone or professional voice clone. Now, if you really want to get into the nitty gritties of it, professional voice clone creates the most realistic digital replica of your voice and requires at least 30 minutes of your clean audio. But of course, you need the upper plans for this. Now, if you want to create an instant voice clone, that is doable on the normal plan. So here it says avoid noisy environments, check microphone quality, and use consistent equipment. So don't change recording equipment between samples. You're going to give it 10 seconds of audio. So I'm going to record it right here, and I'm going to show you what it sounds like. Now, as you can see, I have provided it with my voice. I'm going to click on next. Now, you can continue to add recordings for a better clone, but we're simply going to go with this. Okay. And once we've done that, I am going to confirm that. I'm going to hit save voice. And once you hit save voice, what it does is it will go ahead and add that voice in my library. Now, of course, you do need to make sure that you are on the upper plans. And also do make sure that the recording you create is in a very, quiet background. It should not be in any, sudden noise background or anything like that. So yeah, basically when all of this is done, you're pretty much good to go. Everything is pretty solid from here on out. And that is pretty much about it. So, voice technology is advancing incredibly fast. We're seeing improvements in realism, emotional expression, multilingual support, pronunciation accuracy, voice consistency. Future systems will likely become even more natural and customizable. The gap between synthetic speech and human speech continues to shrink. So that is how you can clone your voice with AI for free. The biggest takeaway is quite simple. The quality of your AI voice starts with the quality of your recording. Give the AI clean audio, speak naturally, experiment with different tools, and what you will be amazed by is what modern voice cloning technology can do. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe for more AI tools, creator resources, and content creation guides. And let me know in the comments, what would you use an AI voice clone for? Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you all in the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye.